come on.
Lindsay, those fans that I spoke of have to get home. They're unfortunately they've got an arrangement they have to get to this evening, so they are on their way. They are Mr. and Mrs. Robinson, who have donated $10. Mrs. Robinson saying to me, "I wish we had more to give." And I encouraged her by saying, you know, everything, it'll all add up. Whatever we can put into the box, it'll all add up. And believe me, Gris Renier and his family will be most appreciative for what we're doing for him today. So again, Paul or Marie, if by chance you're within the sound of my voice, we do have some more money to put in that box.
Well, Frank, as the riders, and it's good to hear that people are continuing to support this. It's being part of the family. But out front right now, leader's going to be seeing that last lap flag this time by. There's Aubrey Bailey. Maybe a bike or two between them. Garvey takes a wider line coming out, and now takes a tighter line into turn number one. He's got everything to gain. He's got to try. Good. Well, let's hope Garvey has the wherewithal to hang on to it and not take a dangerous pass. Looks to the inside. He's not going to find his speed. Greening with a very good blocking move. Stop Garvey from hanging or from building up speed. Now they're almost going.
Sorry.